Okay, this is a live look. It's going to be another day of very active afternoon and also early evening. This is a hazy look at our downtown LA skyline, and you probably already felt it. It is pretty uncomfortable. Lots of that humidity really surging in, and it's all because of this monsoonal flow that's coming in from the southeast right now. So here's a look at what's happening. We started off the morning yesterday with just some light rain, and then it quieted down before all those active thunderstorms rolled in the afternoon. Right now, we are already seeing these thunderstorms really pushing in from Palm Springs, stretching all the way to the Inland Empire. And earlier, again, as I mentioned, we did have a rain cell sitting over the San Clemente area. You can see that has now pushed off to the northeast and rolled just offshore of Orange County near Huntington Beach. And then now we do have a rain cell sitting off the shore of Long Beach. So right now, with a lot of rain starting to move in and also starting to see some gustier conditions in Beaumont, today's going to be worse than yesterday because the humidity level is so high. It is actually very, very thick outside, and that monsoonal flow doesn't look like it's going to end yet. So it looks like we're going to continue to see more of this activity, and you mix that with sunshine, that daytime heating, and it's again going to be pretty terrible as we head into the later afternoon. So stronger thunderstorms today, life-threatening flash floods and strong downbursts very possible, because once we see these thunderstorms mixing in with that unstable air and the sunshine, we could see some very heavy rain. And yesterday we did see some nickel-sized hail in areas like Lake Elsinore, so we could potentially see that again. And actually today we're going to see much more of these thunderstorms really spreading closer to a lot of our coastal communities, widespread. So that flash flood watch has been extended and expanded over areas like Orange County, the Inland Empire, the San Gabriel, the San Fernando Valley, and the Santa Clarita Valley. 85 degrees near the airport right now. You can see that dew point. It is high. Anytime it gets past 60, we could feel it. Some areas this morning did see some dew points in the 70s, so I'll get to that in just a bit. Out the door right now with the cloud cover that we started the morning off with. Temperature-wise, it's not going to be quite as hot today as yesterday, but with that humidity, it makes it pretty unbearable. 88 for Victorville right now, 87 for Lancaster, upper 80s for downtown, 80 for Santa Ana. So again, dew point is a better form of measuring humidity in our atmosphere. I know we don't use it very often, but when we do, this is the reason why we use it. Most of the time you'll see the dew points being used on the East Coast. So again, normally we have dew points in the 50s. Anytime it's over 60s, we can start to feel that sticky feeling. And then anytime it gets into the 70s, it gets pretty oppressive. So 71 right now, dew points for Riverside. So this is the chart. And then you're probably wondering why I'm not using relative humidity. Relative humidity with the percentage, it just doesn't measure humidity very well in our atmosphere. So you're looking at the relative humidity at 50%. You can't really tell that it's humid out there until you look at the dew points. 98 for Rialto right now, 102 for Lake Elsinore, 94 today will be the high for Walnut, 91 for Anaheim, 99 for Reseda. This humidity will linger with us through tomorrow, and the good news, we'll see more of that drier air moving in, but just know that right now we are expecting the threat of thunderstorms and showers really picking up by the time we head into the afternoon as that daytime heating continues in the next few hours.